Hey everyone, welcome back to Thrift Store Thursday. Y'all, I got some good stuff. I don't even remember what I have been collecting since the last time that I talked to y'all. I hope everyone is doing well. And if you're a new subscriber, I'd like to say thank you, thank you, thank you. If you're one of my old subs, thank you again for tuning in. Thrift Store Thursday. So let me stop talking and show y'all what I picked up. So I went and I found, isn't this a cute bag? I thought this was adorable. For 99 cents this bag was. It's really deep inside. And you guessed it, you know who this bag is for, Truly Bear. So this will, by now you guys have already seen my Hello Kitty video. So this will be the bag that I take up for her Easter. Okay, so I got this bag. You know, when you take these bags apart, they're really hard to put back together. So I thought that was a cute find. See what else I found. Like I said, I just been, shopping, bringing it in, laying it on the couch until I had time to film it. So I found these nice salad spoon and forks these are brand new actually. So I got a set of that and they were 49 cents. 49 cents. So this is gonna go great on my table for the summer. Hopefully by then I would have moved and had a nice, have a nice little backyard to have some of my friends down over. I found this for my grandson. I got to get it cleaned up, it's practically brand new. I did plug it in at the store to make sure that it would heat up. But look, you're probably saying, well, what is that, Cal? It is a wet one. What do you say? The wipes, a wipe warmer. See that? And look how clean that is inside. I don't think anybody really used it, but I'm gonna, wipe it down with some bleach and disinfect it and everything before I take it up to my son. And I paid $1.99. And I plugged it in, and like I said, everything was starting to heat up, but I didn't want to stay at the dollar store too long, with the coronavirus going on, people walking around coughing and everything, and I am a germaphobic, so I had to get up out of there. But this was a great deal for $1.99. I had been pricing these when Truly was born, and I think they're like $25 just to have their little butts have like a warm cloth on them when you're wiping them. So I thought my son would get a kick out of that. And I'm glad she bagged this. They had some glitter for 79 cents. Y'all know y'all cannot get glitter for 79 cents. And they had several of them there, but it looked like they were really all clumped up and everything. And this was really the only good one that I found. So I got it like in the winter white for 79 cents. I even got that. Oh, yeah, great. And then, strolling on around, I found these beautiful glasses. Look at the bottom. Isn't that beautiful? And these were 49 cents. And let's see, I'm not going to unwrap them, but I got 1, 2, 3, 4. So I got 5 of them. They only had 5. They didn't have a 6-piece. So I'll use 4 at my table and always have 1 as a backup. Because, you know, when you're washing them, one may break and then you'll have a backup. So this will be when I only have, you know, 4 guests over for dinner. But show you one more time. I thought these were gorgeous. Now I may bling these up down to the bottom, or I may just leave them just like they are. They are so elegant and just pretty by themselves. So that was a super fine. So for like $2.50, I got beautiful glasses. Can't go wrong. Alright, now this bag I went over to the thrift store yesterday. And I found, and these I do want to unwrap real quick and show you. In 1 second. So I hope everyone is doing well this Thursday. Look at these glasses. And these were 49 cents. And they only had 3 of them. So I was like, do I get the 3 or do I just get 2? And take a chance that one won't bust. And so I only got 2. I only got to 2 because I was like, well, I get a 3rd one and it's not a complete pair. But you can see it's got like the navy blue and white on it. This is going to go gorgeous on one of my up-and-coming tablescapes. And I didn't stop there. They had like the pincher beer glasses with the same design at the bottom. And these were 49 cents. Awesome. So these are going to go nice on my table. See that? And then as I was looking at those, I came across the beautiful rose. Y'all may have seen this in my Sunday Tablescape where I had a big white one. I am into the big flowers. And these are at Hobby Lobby. And I believe the giant one is like $6.99 or $7.99. And when they have the 50% off, you know, you can get it half off. But someone was tired of it, got rid of it, and Cal picked it up. And I paid 79 cents. 79 cents. Hope you can see it. So I got the large one. And then they had medium one for 69 cents. You can see that, 69 cents. So they had the medium one. And then they had the little miniature one, and this was 49 cents. So you will see these in an upcoming video. But I thought these were gorgeous. Scored these for under what? Probably $2 and some change, whereas the little one itself, it's I think $3.99 at Hobby Lobby, and half off you would pay like $2. And actually I have one just ripped off my wall, so I do buy a lot of these, and they make a nice floral display on your wall, you know. So very, very nice, good find. All right. And then lastly, I came across another white platter, and this was 49 cents. You can never go wrong with white platters on your table. And another large one, and this was 59 cents. And actually, this is a pair because the same marking on the back has the same marking on the back. So these actually go hand in hand with each other. So now I'm up to my 4 white platters, and I'll be stopping now. I won't be picking up anymore unless I see a really nice, a nice one that I just have to get. Because if you remember, in my last Thrift Store Thursday, I had showed you this piece. So these are going to tie in very nicely together. Along with these. So you can shop cheap at the thrift store. You don't have to go out here and pay the arm and leg to have a beautiful table. Basically, when you see all of my tablescapes that I do and I have created, they are all thrift store items. I don't run out and buy anything new for my table. What I do, I mix and match a lot of things. You have to be creative, have your own style, and just put pieces here and there. And if you have a big collection, move it around the table. It may not go, pull it off. There's like so many times that I've did a table and looked at it and be like, nope, that piece doesn't go. Let me go back into my china cabinet and see what else that I can pull and actually put on my table, and then it blends in. So again, if you're a new subscriber, I would like to thank you for visiting. If it ain't cheap, I'm not buying it. And all my other old subs, thank you. I appreciate the support. My channel is growing organically. I'm almost at 500 subscribers, and I appreciate every single one of y'all. I thank y'all for coming over and supporting me with my Dollar Tree Tuesday series, my Crazy Walmart Wednesday series, and of course, my Thrift Store Thursday series, and every other thing else that I may just throw in there to you guys. So, once again, as I always say, if it ain't cheap, I'm not buying it. And I hope y'all do the same. Y'all stay blessed until the next video. Hey y'all, don't forget to stop by and check out my new lifestyle vlogger channel, Living My Best Life at 50 with Raquel. We're going to talk about diabetes, weight loss journey, sleep apnea, spiritual, mentally, and physically issues, road trips, and I'm going to take my life back one day at a time.